I'm your host, Nicole Moore. This week on Reality of Love.
Hi, I'm Aparna from Indian Matchmaking.
Hi guys, I'm Bella Benson. Most of you know me as Daddy Issues on Instagram.
We'll hear from women that were mislabeled their entire lives and even on reality TV.
I think the more a woman believes she deserves goodness in all spheres of her life, the more she's mislabeled by others.
I have no control over millions of people's opinions, so might as well just live my life.
The relationship show you won't want to miss.
Like, if they want to make you a villain, they will.
If you feel good about yourself, it's not gonna bother you that someone else feels good about themselves, and that's it at the end of the day.
Yeah.
We all have so much to offer, not just like the one thing that was probably portrayed or seen of us.
I'm going to just be extra, and I don't care.
I don't know if you know that.
Reality of Love, right here on Bespoke TV.